Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to stick through in Microsoft Excel. So very simple and easy way to add stick through, right? This one. So right click on it and format cells, and here is the option stick through. Select it, then click on OK. Format cells, then select this effect. To remove stick through, same, right click on it, format cells. Now unselect this setting. Want to apply stick through a large number. So in first one, add stick through. Now apply this setting to all like this. So thanks for watching. This is the way to add stick through in Microsoft Excel. Check out playlist for Excel learning.